Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. I hope you all are doing fantastic today. So please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Today in this video I am going to explain about flange classes and this will go a little bit technical. So let's proceed with the video. Before that, if you have any queries regarding that video, please park them in the comment section. Soon I am going to respond on that. Thank you. Before proceeding with this slide, I just want to say that being HSC, you need to know about the critical activities at site. So you need to know the sequence of that activity. So let's say, for example, hydrojetting, tasting, critical lifting, isolation, pressure testing, and there are many more activity. So for most of my viewer, this is not a new what I am going to explain in this video very soon. So if you are witnessing any activities at site like hydro tasting activity, you need to know about the flange rating, test pressure, design pressure of this spool or line to enhance your level of intervention and while doing engagements and coaching with the people in regards with hydro tasting activity. And this will help you to identify if there is any non-compliances in the entire sequence. So let's So in this video, today we are going to look about unit of pressure, like it's a kind of overview we can say, conversion, bar to PSI and vice versa, flange classes and types, and last but not the least, different types of flange classes. And I mentioned earlier to subscribe my channel. Please do that. What is bar and PSI? So it's nothing new. So you all are well aware that the bar and PSI are the measurement for the pressure. Now, just take a quick and closer look on conversion part. Bar. Bar is a metric unit of pressure and 1 bar is equals to 14.50 psi. PSI, pounds per square inch, is the pressure that result when 1 pound force is applied to a unit area of 1 square inch. It is the measurement of pressure used in the imperial unit system of measurements where 1 psi is equals to 0.06895 bar. Once again, 1 bar is equal to 14.50 psi and 1 psi is equals to 0.06895 bar. So now let's take a closer look on conversion part. How to convert psi to bar? As we know that 1 psi is equals to 0.06895 bar, to convert psi to bar, multiply your psi figure by 0.06895. So let's say for example, we have to convert 452 psi and we need to check how much it's coming in bar. It's very easy. 452 is PSI value we will put there and we are going to multiply by 0.06895 bar and the answer will be 31.16 bar. Similarly, we can convert bar to PSI now. Like I mentioned earlier, we also know like 1 bar is equals to 14.50 PSI. Just to convert bar to PSI, now this time we have to multiply bar figure by 14.50. So let's say for example, this time we need to convert 31.16 bar to PSI. So as I mentioned, 31.16 times 14.50 PSI. The answer will be 452 PSI. Flange classes. According to ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers has developed a flange class considering temperature and pressure rating. So now, what is this pressure temperature rating in piping material, such as different piping materials like CS carbon steel, SS stainless steel, and alloy steel with different properties. Same material can handle different amount of stress at different temperature. The flange class or rating indicates the ability of a flange to withstand pressure and temperature. The higher the flange rating, the heavier the flange and can withstand higher pressure and temperature. So when the temperature goes up for a given material, the maximum allowable pressure goes down and vice versa. It will act. There are 7 flange classes we are going to see one by one. Class 150, class 300, class 400, class 600, class 900, class 1500, class 2500. So these are the 7 flange classes. 150 class flange. Class 150 flanges are very common and widely used in general application in oil and gas industry. They are suitable for lower pressure system. It can withstand very less pressure and temperature comparing to 300 class flange. Next is class 300 and 600 flanges. But before that I skipped class 400 flange because it is rarely used in industry, so I skipped that one. So class 300 and class 600. So let's take a closer look. As the rating increases, the flange body thickness also increases. These flanges are designed to handle higher pressure and temperature, such as oil and gas and petrochemical process line. Finally, at the higher rating flanges, which is class 1500 and class 2500 flange. So as you can see on the screen, as the classes or rating it increases, the body thickness is also increasing. Yeah. These class flanges especially reserved for extremely high pressure and temperature to handle more stress, and this is used in oil and gas and refineries. So I attached flange working pressure at different temperature. So as you can see on the screen, at a temperature of 38 degrees Celsius, 150 class flange can handle only 19.5 bar. Similarly, at the temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, 150 class can handle 15.3, 600 can handle 80, 900 can handle 120.1. So it's definitely depend upon the different materials being used like CS, SS, alloy steel, copper, nickel, all those things. So with this we came to an end of this video today. Keep an eye on my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned. Thank you very much.